Welcome viewers. Today we will make Bluetooth hands-free in an easy and cheaper way. For we need following few things. First of all, portable audio Bluetooth device. Second one is hands-free. Frame like this. I am using old Bluetooth hands-free frame that I have, but you can make your own flexible frame like this. And electric insulation tape. All we will connect our hands-free with Bluetooth audio device like this, and then we will apply LV on the back side of the Bluetooth device. We can paste this Bluetooth device with the edge of the frame like this, as we can see in pics. Then we will attach the hands-free wire with frame that we have by using electric insulation tape, as we can see in the pictures. It should be in a very smooth way, so that its look should be very beautiful and nice and smooth like this. After all of this, our Bluetooth hands